Today I will show you how to set Google AI Mode as your default search engine in Google Chrome on Windows 11. First, open Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, then click Settings. Select Search Engine from the left-hand menu. Now click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Scroll down and click Add next to Site Search. Enter the following details. Name, for example, AI Mode. Shortcut, AI. Add the following URL. I will leave this URL in the description. Click Add. Next, click on the three dots next to AI Mode and select Make Default. All done. Now let's test it. As you can see, I'm now using AI Mode as my default search engine. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.